Hey class, so I'm going to show you how to complete the Exploring Majors and Transfer assignment. The purpose of this assignment is to give you an opportunity to explore majors and transfer options. So you are going to choose one major to research for this assignment. And so once you decide what major you would like to research on, you will be looking into requirements for this major at a CSU, a UC, and one private or out-of-state college or university, as well as a degree program at CSM. This assignment will also introduce you to assist.org, which shows the articulation agreements for public CSUs and UCs. So the first university that you will explore on this assignment is a UC. And so you go to assist.org. I entered a link here on the assignment page for you to utilize. And when you're on assist.org under institution, you're going to look up our college, College of San Mateo, and then look up a UC. So I'm just going to look at Berkeley as an example. And what you'll notice is that for most of the universities, the academic year that is available is going to be 2016 to 2017, and they do accept and honor the articulation agreement from the 2016-2017 academic year. So click View Agreements, and I'm going to look up psychology as an example. And so click Psychology and then click View Agreement, and then really make sure you read carefully what they want you to complete prior to transfer. This information is really important to follow to ensure that you're meeting all of the transfer requirements that they are looking for the particular major. So I'm just going to go back to the Exploring Majors and Transfer assignment. Once you list the campus and major, I want you to list the required articulated courses you can take at CSM. So when you go on Assist and you look at the report, on the right-hand side shows all the courses that we offer at CSM that satisfy the courses required to go to the university that you're exploring. So at CSM, if you were interested in going to UC Berkeley's psychology program, you would complete Psych 100, General Psychology. They also want you to take 2 courses from the community college, regardless of how many community college courses articulate to a single UC Berkeley course. So below here, you would choose 2 courses from the list, 2 social science courses from the list, and 2 quantitative courses from the list. So you would just need to list what 2 you would want to take and list it in the assignment page. So if you're looking at the quantitative list and you say, okay, I think I would want to do Math 251 and 252, which is Calculus 1 and 2, enter that into the assignment page. So I want to see that you demonstrate an understanding of how to utilize Assist. That's also a purpose of this assignment, is to show that you know how to navigate these websites. And then what you're going to be doing is, after you list the courses, I want you to be able to explore the UC, CSU, and or private or out-of-state college. And so this is where you will take a look and see what are the learning goals, objectives, or learning outcomes of the major program you are researching. And then I also want you to list upper division courses that you will take as a junior and senior. So for instance, I was just on the psychology department at SF State. I want you to explore the website. Okay, so this is going to help you develop your research skills. Go to the department website and look for their mission, value statement, the learning outcomes, whatever page you can find that tells you what you're supposed to get out of this program if you were to attend it. This will help you really get a sense of if this program is right for you at this college. So at SF State, I see that on their psych department, they have their mission statement here. So you really want to see that you're going to get out of the program what you're looking for. You really want to get excited about the institution that you're applying to transfer to. And then I also want you to take a look at what classes you would be taking once you transfer over. So for instance, at SF State Psychology Department, I see that when I transfer, I'm going to be taking these courses listed below. So 2 basic courses from each basic area. So I see like I can take these different psychology science courses and other courses from these other areas. And I just want you to list what you think you might take if you were to go there. So because I need 2 courses from each of these areas, I might say, okay, if I went to SF State, I would be interested in taking Psych 493, Motivation, Psych 531, Psycholinguistics. These are actually the classes that I did take when I was at SF State. And you might say, okay, so for Area 2, I want to do Theories of Personality and Abnormal Psychology. And then from Area 3, I would want to take the Psychology of Work-Life Stress and Psychology of Social Justice. And so list those courses in the area where it asks you to list the upper division courses you will take if you were to transfer to this university. And so you're going to do the same thing for the UC, CSU, as well as private, independent, and out-of-state colleges and universities. So what classes do you need to take to transfer there? Go to the department website. What is the learning outcomes of the program when you earn your bachelor's degree? And what are courses you will be taking for that major when you transfer over? Okay, so that is the goal of completing that part of the assignment. The next part I want you to do is to explore majors at CSM. And so you're going to go to the College of San Mateo website, and in the A through Z index, click M and click Majors, and it'll take you to the degrees and certificates. And so I want you to utilize the same major and explore what you would be taking if you completed a degree at CSM. So I'm going to look at Psychology AAT, and I see here these are the courses listed that I would be taking. And so I want you to input what courses you need, and then you will be also exploring course descriptions because I want you to see what you're going to be learning if you were to take these courses. And then I want you to answer, based on the course descriptions, is this degree or certificate a viable option for you? And also list what career opportunities are listed for the major in the catalog. So when you look at the degree, you can see what career opportunities, our program learning outcomes are all on this page. And then just answer if these are career opportunities that interest you. And I want to know why or why not. And then at the end, I want you to write a brief, no more than 2 paragraph summary of your personal journey exploring a major or related career and your transfer destination using or completing this assignment. Okay, so summarize how you conducted the research and include discoveries you have made about yourself, college majors, and related careers or transfer schools. Start by identifying the major you have selected for this project. Address whether or not this is your major or if you are at least interested in this major for your college degree. Is this the major you started Counseling 120 with? Describe the major and how you plan to use it. Discuss where you might transfer to earn a bachelor's degree in this major or related majors. Incorporate your career goals in your discussion. And so, this will also help you see the differences between your transfer options, right? So going to a CSU is going to be different from going to a UC and different than going to a private institution. But you'll need to do the research through completion of this assignment to really understand those key differences. Okay. And so that's the rule. That's the main purpose of this assignment. And so the end of the assignment is just you writing a brief reflection of what your experience was, exploring these different institutions and major programs. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me and just send me a message on Canvas.